light emitting diodes. So as the name indicates, it is a diode. So diode means what? Simply it is a PN junction. It is a semiconductor device. P layer is connected to the positive terminal and N layer is connected to the negative terminal. Now the depletion layer will be break down and current will flow. And this concept we are using in this LED bulbs. This PN junction concept means we are using P type to positive one, N type to negative one. So there is a current, smooth current will flow through P to N. So here this is the LED bulb. Here also we are having two terminals. One is anode positive, second one is cathode, and all others are the outer arrangement there. And these are the post or flat stop, means it is the outer cover or outer design where we will keep the bulb. And here the LED consists of the chip, the same thing. LED consists of a chip of semiconductor material doped with impurities like created in a PN junction. The chips are mounted in a reflecting tray in order to increase the light output. So obviously the amount of light we will require, that depends upon this reflecting, how much light will reflect on that tray. The contacts are made on the cathode side by means of conductive adhesive and on the anode side via this gold wire to the lead frame. Means simply you need to understand, we have one anode means positive side, one cathode that is negative side. In between these two, this is the semiconductor die. So if I will go through the, means it is supplied, means there is some depletion layer will be breakdown and current will flow from positive to negative, then only this light will glow. This is the concept. This one, it is a well known PN junction. These are the holes, these are the electrons, and this is the battery we are giving supply. This is the source. P type means it is positive. So positive means the majority carriers are here, holes. N type means it is negative. So in N type the majority carriers are electrons. And current, this middle part is the depletion layer. So when we are providing, suppose we are providing the reverse one, means to N type we are providing positive, to P type we are providing negative. So P type means positive, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव को हम लोग कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव से. So the depletion layer or the smooth conduction or the free electrons can't flow. That should be immobile electrons. Electron flow करेगा ही नहीं. So no current will flow. But if we will connect positive to P side, negative to N side, that is shown in this figure right now. So obviously positive to positive, negative to negative. Now there is in this depletion layer, when we are providing this voltage, means this depletion layer will be now breakdown. Some holes will be go through like this, some free electrons will go like this, means it will be squeezed. When it will be totally squeezed, now smooth current will flow from positive via P, N back to negative. Now normal current will or smooth conduction will be take place. So here you can see, this is the concept. When current flows across a diode, diode में current कैसे flow करता है, ठीक है? Negative electrons move one way and positive holes move the other way. In the last slide I have also told you the same thing. That means positive holes moving in one way, negative electrons are moving in the opposite way or another way, like this. This is the hole, this is the electron. So they are like squeezing with each other. Here the holes exist at low energy level than the free electrons. Like free electrons are, they are free to move, so the energy level of free electrons must be higher as compared to the holes. Holes actually it is a positive charge carriers only. Therefore when a free electron falls, it loses its energy. like this. Here the free electrons will fall here, so it will lose some energy, and in this LED bulb that loss of energy is result of light. Means here you see this energy is emitted in a form of photon which causes the light. The loss of energy of the electron is the cause of light, nothing other than that. Electron is falling means there is some heat energy or there is some light energy is there. The color, again it is also important, the color of the light is determined by the fall of the electron and hence energy level of the photon. Means the energy level, it is depending upon the energy level of the photon. Okay, here you can see this is when this electron is falling upon this one. Now some energy will be existed and that energy will be cause light. This is the result of this free electron. So this is the concept of causing of light in case of LED. Now these are the types of LED that you can see in your day-to-day life, in your college labs also you are using these lights. Means varieties of shapes and size depending upon the color or like the technologies, the photon or loss of energy of the electron, we can get these varieties of LEDs in our market. Then the last part of this subject is star rating of home appliances. So आप लोग तो देखे होंगे स्टार रेटिंग फ्रीज, अगर आप लोग एक फ्रीज खरीद रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे लिखा होगा ये कौन सा स्टार का है, 3 स्टार, 5 स्टार, 4 स्टार, whatever. So this is the concept. A star rating system depicts the energy efficiency of an electrical appliances. So electrical energy means kilowatt hour. We are paying our electricity bill, isn't it? So the amount of electricity, suppose your power consumption or energy consumption is more, you have to pay more. So therefore we have to go for less power consumption or less energy consumption. Therefore this star rating concept is there. If the energy consumption is less, means we have to pay less. So that's why the higher the number of stars, the more efficient it is. मीन्स अगर आपका स्टार का रेटिंग ज़्यादा है, 5 स्टार फ्रीज आप अगर ला रहे हैं तो उसका एनर्जी कंजप्शन कम ही है, सो इट शुड बी एफिशिएंट. ये हमारे लिए एफिशिएंट है ही बिकॉज हम लोगों को कम ही बिल देना पड़ेगा. द स्टार रेटिंग सिस्टम वाज डिवाइस्ड बाय द ब्यूरो ऑफ एनर्जी एफिशिएंसी, दैट इज BEE in India with a range of 1 to 5 stars. 1 to 5 stars available है in our India, that is from BEE, Bureau of Energy Efficiency. Then coming to the terminology, so these are the terms we are using in star concept. So if you go for 5 goods, so home appliances are comes under this 5 good. Means जितने भी आप लोग घर में यूज करते हैं, रेफ्रिजरेटर, AC, वॉशिंग मशीन, all are coming under this. Then brown goods क्या क्या है? So portable appliances like television, wireless set, micro oven, these are the brown goods. BEE, Bureau of Energy Efficiency. EER, Energy Efficiency Ratio. Then BTU, British Thermal Unit. So these are the terminology. It is important for your exam. It may come what is the full form of BEE or full form of EER, what are the white goods, brown goods. These are the important terms in this star rating. This is the well-known stars for you people. Means energy efficiency, energy service per unit of energy consumption. Means higher is the star, lower is the energy consumption. So obviously in previous days we are using only electrical circuits. So in that circuits power consumption was more. But nowadays what we are using electronic instruments or some small chips. So electronic instruments are of small rating or small powers. So obviously if the power rating is less, means low energy we can consume. So that is efficient for our electrical system. Then it is the labeling and energy efficiency rating scheme for electrical appliances. It is an energy saving guide. More star, more saving. And how stars is given to the appliances? This is the formula for that. It is the average amount of electricity used by the equipment in a year, that is kilowatt hour per year under standard test conditions. This kilowatt hour is simply the electrical energy we are consuming, and if we go for the star rating, we are calculating like this, means it will be throughout the whole year. That's why kilowatt hour per year. It is a standard under a standard, means it has a standard test condition, or at that bureau we are comparing this kilowatt hour per year for one equipment to other equipment. Then we can decide the what should be the star rating of that equipment. If the energy efficiency or energy consumption is more, star must be less. If energy is less, star must be more. This is the concept. Then coming to the key points here. So obviously the most important thing is the choke in case of fluorescent tube. The choke provides the high voltage. Without that it can't start. Then LED bulb is nothing but it is a simply PN junction diode. The higher the number of stars of an electrical appliances, the more efficient it is. Okay? अगर स्टार रेटिंग कम हो जाएगा तो एफिशिएंसी उसका कम होगा. So obviously we need to the increasing number of stars. And if you go for the important questions for your exam, so must be, this is very important, construction and working of a fluorescent lamp and construction and working of a LED bulb also. Okay, and different terminology, that is BEE or goods, about the goods of the related to the star rating of the electrical appliances. So these are the important or very interesting things, means types of bulbs, types, or what is the star rating. So you have to thoroughly go through this PPT. So repeatedly see this, and these are also available in our PDF. We are providing it in PDF form also. So you can download that one and study, and definitely we will result good.